So hi friends and welcome back to BB's Learning. Today 3rd April 2021. Today is 341st death anniversary of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So the story that I am sharing today is from the life of Shivaji Maharaj. Once when it was a little defeat for Chhatrapati after when he lost few of his kingdoms, and after that, when he started regaining his kingdom and rebuilding his kingdom once again, during that phase, while going through some forest, he came across a place where he was feeling hungry and searching for some food. That time, he found a hut and went to that hut and checked out if someone is there. So there was an old lady inside that hut. He went to that lady and requested that as a soldier, I'm going through this forest, and it would be really great if you could get me some food because I am feeling extremely hungry. So that lady invited him inside without recognizing who the king is, and she made the food she can, and she cooked some nice rice for him. And when she served, the king started to have that food. While having that food, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, he put his hand exactly in the middle of that rice which was served into plate, and his fingers got hurt. When he took out those fingers, this lady smiled at him and said that you look like Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and you also sound to be Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj by your behavior. Then the king laughed and asked, why did you feel that? She said, I served you rice which is hot, and you put your fingers exactly in the middle of it. Instead, you would have started from the side where it is cold now and ready to eat without hurting your finger or your tongue. The king, our Chhatrapati, is also doing the same. He is trying to attack the big forts first. Instead, he should start with the small forts while rebuilding and regaining his kingdom. With that thought, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj felt so overwhelmed. He finished the food, he got up and he touched feet of that old lady and said that I am Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and today I learned a biggest lesson from you, that instead of hunting for big goals in one go, we have to split it out, or we have to make out the small goals first. And the moment we start capturing the small goals, we will end up with having a big kingdom back in our own hand. So this story, my friends, gives us some insight to us as well as on today. During this phase we all are going through, there are many challenges we all are having in the current phase of our life. And we try to attack on the big problems in one go. Instead, try to split it and then hunt for those small kingdoms. You will end up making a big kingdom for yourself. So the message from the story is, make just 1% improvement every single day. If you continue, you will make 7% a week, 30% a month, and your consistency will bring you to 365% improvement in your own self by the end of a year. So take this message, stay young, stay happy, keep pushing your limits, and be limitless. See you back